For purposes of the proxy statement filed with the SEC, is it a perk if I replace perks with an increased salary? Today on Zippy Point.
Quick Zips by Zippy Point.
Quick and dirty. I'm Brock Romanek, and I'm a big fan of yous. So it's not a perk if it's a true salary increase. I'm surprised given the attention paid to perks after the SEC overhauled its executive pay rules in 2006 to elicit perk disclosure for the first time. And in this era of growing demand for workforce equality, that more companies haven't adopted a no perks policy. Some companies have done that, but they're more of an exception than the rule. I remember way back when Intel became the first big company to adopt such a policy, and I thought the floodgates had opened, but they didn't. If I had my druthers and I was in-house and I had some clout, this would always be my preferred way of doing things. Bump up an officer's salary and discontinue all perks. It's such an easier way to handle perks than any other alternative. You save a lot of administrative headaches, a lot of angst from insiders worried about embarrassing disclosures. Not to mention that institutional investors would likely be fine with it. A modest $25,000, $50,000 jump in salary is far more likely to not show up on their radar than a litany of perk disclosures. There shouldn't be a backlash over a reasonable salary increase. This would have to be a true salary increase. The increase would show up in the salary column of the summary compensation table. It wouldn't be a, we're going to give you this money and then go out and replicate the exact perks that you just gave up. I mean, it's fine if the executive does decide to do that on their own. It's just that the company can't dictate that, can't communicate that, can't expect that. It's a salary bump with no strings attached. If there were strings attached, then it would be considered a perk allowance, which would be disclosable as a perk. For more of my Vid-Guides about perks, there are dozens of them. Search YouTube with the hashtags of hashtag perks and hashtag zippypoint, or go to zippypoint.com and let me know what you think.